Hello, gentlemen, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a truly exciting topic for you: how to dress as old money for men. If you've ever wondered how to exude that timeless and sophisticated style that old money gentlemen are known for, you're in the right place. So without further ado, let's dive right in. What is old money? Old money refers to wealth that has been in a family or individual for multiple generations, often passed down through inheritances and investments. It contrasts with new money, which is wealth acquired relatively recently, often through entrepreneurial success or a sudden windfall. Old money is associated with established aristocratic families who may have social and financial privileges, and it often reflects a more conservative and traditional approach to wealth and lifestyle. It implies a sense of cultural and social heritage, with a focus on preserving the family's legacy and status over time. Now let's talk about how to dress as old money. The foundation. First things first, gents, let's talk about the foundation of dressing like old money, your wardrobe. Old money style is all about timeless, high-quality pieces that stand the test of time. Investing in quality. Investing in quality garments is the cornerstone of old money style. Tailored suits, crafted to fit your body perfectly, are the crown jewel of your wardrobe. The art of tailoring ensures that your clothing not only fits impeccably, but also complements your physique. Quality dress shirts made from premium fabrics such as Egyptian cotton or fine linen are a must-have. These shirts feel luxurious against the skin and maintain their elegance through countless wears. Accessories matter. Accessories can make or break an old money look. The right tie, cufflinks, and pocket square can elevate a simple outfit to one of sophistication. When it comes to ties, opt for silk or wool in classic patterns like stripes or solids. Cufflinks, often overlooked, are a chance to showcase your individuality. Vintage cufflinks or ones with subtle, elegant designs can be conversation starters at social gatherings. Pocket squares add a touch of flair. Fold them neatly into your suit pocket and let them peek out just enough to catch attention. Shoes and belts. Quality extends to your footwear as well. A pair of well-made leather shoes can last a lifetime if cared for properly. Opt for classic styles like Oxfords or loafers in colors like black and brown. Matching your belt to your shoe color is a timeless rule of thumb. A polished leather belt in the same shade as your shoes completes your look, ensuring your style is cohesive and impeccable. The color palette. Now let's talk about the color palette. Old money style leans towards classic and subdued colors like navy, charcoal, camel, and forest green. The power of classic colors. Classic colors are the foundation of old money style. Navy, with its deep and dignified tone, exudes confidence. Charcoal, a timeless choice, signifies sophistication and versatility. Camel, often associated with the upper echelons of society, adds a touch of warmth and luxury. Forest green, reminiscent of English estates and hunting parties, brings a sense of heritage to your wardrobe. The versatility of neutrals. Neutrals are your best allies in creating a versatile wardrobe. These hues effortlessly complement each other and can be mixed and matched for various occasions. A navy blazer pairs wonderfully with charcoal trousers, while a camel overcoat can be layered over forest green knitwear. The key to old money style is achieving an understated elegance that suggests effortlessness. Injecting subtle colors. While old money style leans towards classics, you can inject subtle colors to infuse personality into your outfits. Consider incorporating earthy tones like deep burgundy, mustard, or olive green as accents. A pocket square or tie in these colors adds a touch of individuality without deviating from the core principles of old money fashion. Attention to detail. Gentlemen, it's all about the details. Old money style places a premium on craftsmanship and attention to detail. Craftsmanship and quality. Old money style isn't just about what you wear. It's about how well it's made. Craftsmanship is the hallmark of every piece in an old money wardrobe. When choosing accessories like cufflinks, look for those crafted from precious metals like gold or sterling silver. These materials not only exude luxury, but also withstand the test of time. High-quality tie pins should have a secure clasp to keep your tie in place while adding a touch of refinement. The elegance of pocket squares. Pocket squares are a subtle yet powerful accessory in old money style. When folding your pocket square, consider classic styles like the presidential fold or the puff fold. These techniques create an elegant, controlled puff that adds character to your jacket. The choice of fabric for your pocket square can also make a difference. Silk and linen are popular choices, each offering a different texture and sheen. Meticulous grooming. Grooming plays a vital role in encapsulating the timeless essence of old money style. It's the finishing touch that elevates the entire look. To embody this classic charm, meticulous care should extend to every aspect of your appearance. Start with your hair. Maintain a neatly styled and well-groomed mane. When you're tying your tie, be sure the knot is perfectly symmetrical and the length is just right. These seemingly small details are, in fact, essential. They speak volumes about your confidence and sophistication, underlining your commitment to a polished and refined presentation. In the world of old money style, it's the attention to these finer points that truly sets you apart, conveying a message of timeless elegance and self-assuredness. Embrace timeless patterns. Another key element is embracing timeless patterns. Houndstooth, pinstripes, and Glen plaid are your best friends. The allure of houndstooth. Houndstooth is a classic pattern characterized by its broken checks, often in black and white or muted earth tones. Its history dates back to the Scottish lowlands, where it was originally worn as a woven fabric. Today, it's a symbol of refined taste and a timeless choice for suits, blazers, and overcoats. The pattern adds depth and texture to your ensemble, making it a staple in old money wardrobes. The authority of pinstripes. Pinstripes are synonymous with power and authority. Originating in the world of finance and banking, they exude confidence and professionalism. When choosing pinstripes, opt for subtle, narrow lines in classic colors like navy or charcoal. A pinstripe suit is a statement piece that demands attention and respect, making it a valuable addition to your wardrobe. The charm of Glen plaid. Glen plaid, also known as Prince of Wales check, is a pattern rich in history and sophistication. It features a complex crisscross pattern with small checks and houndstooth-like elements. Glen plaid is a versatile choice, suitable for both formal and casual occasions. A Glen plaid blazer paired with solid trousers creates an effortlessly stylish look that's synonymous with old money fashion. Mixing and matching patterns. While patterns are a hallmark of old money style, it's essential to master the art of mixing and matching them. A houndstooth blazer can be paired with solid trousers, while a pinstripe suit can be accessorized with a subtly patterned tie. The key is to balance patterns to avoid overwhelming your outfit. Let one pattern take the spotlight while keeping others understated. The art of layering. Layering is a skill every old money gent should master. A well-structured outfit with layers exudes confidence. Layering accessories. Accessories play a significant role in layering. A silk scarf, elegantly draped around your neck, not only keeps you warm, but also adds a touch of sophistication. Experiment with different knots and styles to find what suits you best. Additionally, a leather belt with a stylish buckle can accentuate your waist and add a refined touch to your layered outfit. Grooming and etiquette. Last but certainly not least, grooming and etiquette. Old money gentlemen are known for their impeccable manners and well-groomed appearances. The importance of grooming. Grooming is the bridge between a well-dressed man and an old money gentleman. Start with a well-maintained haircut and facial hair. Regular visits to a trusted barber ensure your appearance is sharp and polished. When tying your tie, take the time to create a perfectly symmetrical knot. Experiment with various tie knots, such as the Windsor or the half Windsor, to find the one that suits your face shape and collar style. Table manners and etiquette. Proper etiquette is a hallmark of old money style. Whether you're dining at home or in a fine restaurant, adhering to etiquette rules showcases your refinement. Always wait for your host or the most senior person at the table to start eating before you begin. Use utensils from the outside in and place your napkin on your lap. Maintain good posture and engage in polite conversation. Remember that good manners are never out of fashion. Maintaining a well-groomed appearance. Old money style isn't just about dressing up. It's about maintaining a consistently well-groomed appearance. Regularly visit your tailor for alterations and adjustments to ensure your clothing fits impeccably. Pay attention to the condition of your shoes and have them polished regularly. A well-cared-for wardrobe not only extends the life of your garments, but also reflects your commitment to a timeless style. We wrap up our journey into the world of old money style with a sense of achievement. The host's reassuring smile and words convey that old money style is not an unattainable dream, but a lifestyle choice within reach. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want more style tips, subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Stay classy.